Find the perimeter of the given figure. This is the figure and we have to find the perimeter. Perimeter means what? Addition of all the sides. Now how will you add the sides? These sides you know, but what about this side? This side we don't know, this below side. So how will you find out this side? This side is here. This side is this P brought down, this P. 5P is this side, because if you just calculate it, these all P's, if you bring it down on this line, it makes this full line, this full segment. So this is 5P. Now add, it's very simple now. Q plus P plus 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 Q plus 5P. Okay, so it adds to 10P plus 6Q. You check this. Okay, so that is the answer. See this, I have shown it over here. So what do we do actually? The answer is 10P plus